Apollo-Grannus is a fascinating figure within Celtic mythology who exemplifies the syncretism that occurred between Celtic and Roman religious traditions. Combining the attributes of the Greek god Apollo with indigenous Celtic elements, Apollo-Grannus emerges as a multifaceted deity revered for his solar associations, healing abilities, and connection to the arts. As a syncretic deity, Apollo-Grannus represents the blending of two distinct pantheons, Greek and Celtic, reflecting the cultural exchanges that occurred during the Roman conquest of Celtic territories. Apollo, known as the god of the sun, music and prophecy, in Greek mythology, brings with him attributes of light, order, and creativity. The addition of Grannus, a name likely derived from the Celtic term for sun, grounds this deity firmly in the landscape of Celtic spirituality. This merging exemplifies how the Celts adapted and incorporated aspects of the Roman pantheon, illustrating their capacity for assimilation while maintaining core elements of their own beliefs. Apollo-Grannus is particularly associated with the healing hot springs that were found throughout the Celtic lands, many of which later became popular Roman bath complexes. Devotees would journey to these springs, seeking physical and spiritual healing, believing that the waters held curative properties. Just as Apollo was a god of health and medicine in Roman tradition, so too was Apollo-Grannus, revered for his ability to restore health and vitality. The springs became centers of worship and community fellowship, intertwining health with the divine and offering a space for reflection and renewal. In his role as the god of poetry and music, Apollo-Grannus was invoked by bards and artists seeking divine inspiration. Much like his Greek counterpart, Apollo, who is often depicted with a lyre, Apollo-Grannus embodies the spirit of creative expression and artistic endeavor. His influence on bards was profound. They would turn to him in their search for muse-like inspiration, hoping to attune their work to the divine harmonies of life. This connection to the arts emphasizes the significance of poetry and music in Celtic tradition, where storytelling and creative expression were integral to cultural identity and communal life. In essence, Apollo-Grannus serves as a powerful symbol of the syncretic nature of Celtic mythology, reflecting broader themes of adaptation and continuity in belief systems. Through his associations with healing springs, sunlight, and artistic inspiration, he stands as a testament to the rich interplay between cultures. By merging the attributes of different traditions, Apollo-Grannus reminds us of the enduring power of the divine to inspire health, creativity, and unity, bridging the worlds of the celestial and the earthly, while nurturing the spirit of the people who revered him.